Today we done a program in Kaban Park in Press Club because of kidney patients. We are running the Omega Rehabilitation Trust, helping poor kidney ailment patients for the supporting for the poor patients for the dialysis. Say one thing, we are doing this program for today for suffering many patients suffering for the kidney. Nowadays, all over India, there is 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs people they suffering for the kidney problems. This Karnataka, there are many poor people suffering for the kidney. Then we are also supporting for the kidney patients for helping the dialysis for the patients. Now shortly we will going to open one dialysis center. That place is Ramurthy Nagar. It will be 12-bed hospital, dialysis center, including lab, pharmacy, doctor consultations, procedure room, all together. It will come to along with dialysis everything. Then all nephro doctors, senior nephrology doctors, they'll coming to attend by our hospitals to see the poor people to the patients. We'll take care about the patients very nicely to the people. Now last week something has happened in the Victoria Hospital, government hospital. There is patient 30th morning, they called me around 7:30 from Victoria Hospital. They didn't get properly for the treatment in Victoria Hospital. There is a water problem. They climbing with metro that broken the pipeline for the metro people. There's no water in the Victoria Hospital. I questioned them. Victoria Hospital, all the places Victoria Hospital, water will be there. How can it will be stopped in the dialysis center for the water? I asked them to the director, what is the water plant? Why didn't keep one substitute water plant? They want all the hospitals supposed to keep for substitute water plant. Always one water plant to main things in the dialysis center, water is main thing. Water plant is once in a failure, that whole day is not done the dialysis for the patients. Then technicians supposed to come, do the work, then after that clearing the water, then only they start the dialysis. That's why all the hospitals please keep substitute for the RO plant. That's a big problem is happened in the Victoria Hospital last week. There are more than 30 patients suffering for morning. They done dialysis for Friday. Again they came to Monday. They have to day by day they have to take the treatment for the dialysis. After Monday they came, there is no work the place. The water not there support. I went there to talk to the director. They explained something and extra. I asked, want treatment for the patient. Immediately they start the treatment, 2 hours done the dialysis for the patient. Now main concept, you came to the people asking to the government. I want very good support for the government hospital for the dialysis for the poor patient. Don't charge more. They're charging also 350 to 400 rupees per BPL cards. Don't make a charge. That is also very costly for the patients. Total I'm supporting for the patients, request to the asking to the government to dialysis to the health support for the patients. That's my contest. Today we are attending, all the patients also come. Some patients were standing here, some other my staffs, everyone is there to Wingle. We all to do honestly to the work for the dialysis for the people. That's my intentions. I'm also one of the dialysis patient from 2008, my kidney failure. That time I'm 750 dialysis I done. From 2012 I got the transplant. My wife is donated the kidney for me. I know the pain, what is the dialysis. That's why I came forward to do this work. See, we shortly will open dialysis center. We were requirement the funds. What are the money I have? What are earning the money? I'll spend all the money. I don't know, presently I don't have any money to spend the hospital work. See, already 60 lakhs I spent. I need at least 30 to 40 lakhs to complete this unit. I can start to treatment to the 100 to 120 people to monthly to treatment to my hospital for free dialysis to the people. I looking to people to come forward to help me for our trust to do best work to in all over Karnataka. I plan to future I'll go to do for all over India also. This my God graced. I'm a life very good. I have to do more work to my people. See, I'm very supporting my people also. My trust people also very good supporting. My staff also very good supporting for me. That's I God graced. I do all the work.
Good afternoon. My name is Maria, and I'm working for Omega Rehabilitation Trust. Working in sense, I'm a volunteer and I take care of the patients with their counseling and most of their benefits. We are working from the trust for the patients who are undergoing dialysis, basically who are under the poverty line, who are not able to take care of their requirements like medicine and dialysis. Suppose in a family there is one breadwinner and he is the one who's undergoing dialysis. It's very difficult for the family. He'll have to feed around 5 to 6 mouths and he himself is not able to take care of himself and his treatment. That is where we come in and take care of the patients, at least to what we can, maximum whatever we can. We can't take care of the entire household on our shoulders, but we make sure we give them the basic treatment which nobody else is able to do. Now the concept here is we are fighting towards dialysis and the treatment where patients have got facilities in government hospitals but where they are not getting it. We are not sure as to what the exact reason is and why they are not giving the treatment and why patients are facing such problems. We need to look into the details, and I would shortly request the government and all the concerned authorities to be kind and considerate enough to take care of the patients and their requirements, as they are absolutely poor and are almost dying. Thank you.
I am Dr. Suresh. I am All India NGO consultant. Past 8 years I am doing, because I am all the state in India, but I have not at all seen this type of service in Bangalore. Because Dr. Anand Kumar is doing a very wonderful work in Bangalore, and is doing free dialysis. That is free dialysis. Nobody in India, no organization is there. Because I am traveled more than from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. I seen more than 10,000 organization. But in Bangalore, in city itself, he is giving the free treatment dialysis for the poor. Nobody else. So we are very happy. Because in Karnataka, Dr. Anand Kumar doing his wonderful work now. So we want to support. The public will support and the government will support. But nobody will not support. So I'm requesting everybody, please support Dr. Anand Kumar, and we want to support the poor also. Thank you. Thank you very much.